In Haitian Creole, the concept of verbs is more complicated than in English. So instead of verbs, we'll be using what we call predicate, predicat in Haitian Creole. A predicate is anything that isn't the subject. For instance, in the phrase moi manger mango, the predicate is manger mango. In the phrase ou parler en pile, the predicate is parler en pile. Now, the type of predicate depends on the linking word that you use. This is where the difference comes in. In other Romance languages, and even in English, the linking word is always a verb. For instance, you sleep at night. Sleep is the linking word and the verb. You are my wife, are is the linking word and the verb. In Haitian Creole, we use all kinds of linking words, not just verbs. Linking words may be a verb, verbal predicate, an adjective, adjectival predicate, a noun, nominal predicate, an adverb, adverbial predicate, a preposition, prepositional predicate. For a verbal predicate, we'll have a normal verb like in English. For instance, m'a mangé gâteau, I'm eating cake. Ou aimez bien, you love beer. So this is simple. An adjectival predicate uses an adjective as a linking word. For instance, if I want to say you're beautiful, I'd say ou belle. If I want to say this is good, I'd say ça bon. You can see that there are typical verbs in these instances, just the subjects and the adjectives. So if I had to translate ou belle in English, that would just be you beautiful. Now, a nominal predicate is a predicate that uses a noun as a linking word. For instance, Peter is now a student at this school. In Haitian Creole, that would be Pierre étudiant l'école là kounya. A literal translation would give us this: Peter student this school now. So étudiant is the word that carries the predicate. An adverbial predicate uses an adverb as its linking word. If I want to say this is too much homework, I could say devoir trop pour moi, which can be translated as homework too much for me. So here, the adverb trop is the linking word, which makes the predicate an adverbial predicate. And last but not least, we have prepositional predicates, which allow us to use prepositions as their linking words. So let's say I want to translate the sentence, my father is at home. This would be Papa mwen na kaila, which literally means my father in the house. There's no verb, just in the house, as a prepositional phrase.